The PCs in your organization may not be working at full power. If they're connected to all-in-one in terminal mode, you may have a lot of unused PC power. At the same time, you may be overloading your large host systems as time-sharing PC users draw off computing power that could be used elsewhere. Unused power on the desktop, overused power on the host. It's time to power up, to create new client-server relationships, a new power structure between your PCs and your all-in-one system. Let's take a closer look at this new power structure. First of all, you have PC users out there connected to all-in-one in terminal mode to read, answer their mail, for word processing and other functions. They're experiencing the full benefits of all-in-one, but at the same time, they're not taking full advantage of the powerful processor and applications available on their PCs. Many times, users are more comfortable and more productive using the applications they're familiar with. But these are not always available to them while they're using their VAX VMS systems. Now, on the other hand, when they leave the VAX VMS system and begin to use the PCs as a PC, drawing on all the power and applications available, they still may not be as productive as they could be because they're more isolated from the rest of the company. And they're probably not working with the most current data and information. And you have the nightmare of managing all the different software revisions, information backup, data security, and support requirements on those PCs. If we look at the same situation from the host system point of view, all those PC users working in terminal mode create a system load. They require their share of the CPU and tie up resources on the host. The users experience the efficiency and effectiveness benefits of all-in-one, but this is not necessarily the most productive and cost-effective use of the computer resources. If you can offload the processing onto the PCs, the host can accommodate more users or run faster with the same number of users to provide access to corporate databases, corporate-wide mail, bulletin boards, central product and pricing files, and specialized devices such as plotters or printers. Considering the investment you have in hardware, software, training, you need to make more effective use of these systems, both the PCs and the all-in-one system. Now you can power up your PCs, power up your all-in-one system, power up your organization and your business. With all-in-one desktop for DOS, you employ the full power and intelligence in your PC. Users can now take advantage of all the DOS applications available today. They can use the software they know and like. They can use their PCs wherever they are, in the office, at home, or on the road. And they still have the all-in-one system for the enterprise-wide resources they need. Now let's look at some of the key features of all-in-one desktop for DOS. From the main menu, users can select a number of functions and applications. Choosing business applications, for example, takes us to a secondary menu where we can call up applications such as spreadsheets and database programs. For example, Lotus 123. And we can use the spreadsheet on the PC with the most current data supplied through the all-in-one host from other systems corporate-wide. Back at the main menu, we now select electronic mail, which calls up the mail menu. With the read and process choice, all-in-one desktop for DOS lets users receive and handle their mail wherever they are, in the office, at home, or on the road. They prepare their answers on the PC, and they tie into the all-in-one system only when they're ready to send and receive mail. This saves valuable CPU cycles and reduces phone charges. Creating a mail message is easy to understand. We can even attach that spreadsheet or other binary files, such as graphics, to the message. Selecting the word processing option provides users with access to any one of a number of the most popular word processing applications available on the PC. Users can also select a number of functions which provide them with control over various aspects of the system, such as menu interaction, screen color, and so on. The key here is choice, yet simplicity. And finally, to manage and control the system, there's a series of management utilities which let you customize menus and help functions, balance the load on the host, update applications, and provide for system security and data integrity. What's interesting here is the new power structure, the client-server computing model that is built into All-in-One Desktop for DOS. The desktop client software is installed on each PC, and the server software is installed on your All-in-One host system. With these inexpensive additions, you gain the power tools you need to manage today's software explosion. You free your host system from the power-draining traffic of traditional time-sharing activities without depriving PC users access to data, devices, and communication services across the entire organization. All-in-One Desktop for DOS. When you need to power up your PCs, when you need to power up your host systems, when you need to power up your organization. All-in-One Desktop for DOS from Digital. Now you can evaluate All-in-One Desktop for DOS with our new pilot kit, which contains all the software, documentation, customization, and installation services for up to 8 PC users. Why not call today?